Have you ever dreamed of having your own vibrant flower garden? Imagine a place filled with colorful blooms, a sanctuary that brings joy, peace, and a touch of nature right at your doorstep. Well, today we're going to show you how you can transform that dream into reality. First things first, choosing the right flowers is key to creating a vibrant garden. Variety truly is the spice of life, and this holds true for your garden as well. Choose a mix of flowers that bloom at different times to ensure your garden is a riot of colors all year round. Don't forget to consider your local climate, the type of soil you have, and how much sunlight your garden gets daily. These factors play a significant role in determining which flowers will thrive. Remember, the right flowers can make all the difference in your garden. Now that you've picked out your flowers, it's time to get planting. Start by digging a hole that's twice the width and the same depth as your plant's root ball. Remember to space your plants properly. Too close and they'll compete for resources. Too far and your garden may look sparse. After planting, water generously. This helps settle the soil and gives your flowers a much-needed drink. With the right planting techniques, your flowers will have the best chance to thrive. The work doesn't stop after planting. Keeping your flower garden vibrant requires regular maintenance. This includes essential tasks like watering, which keeps your flowers hydrated and healthy. Pruning, on the other hand, promotes growth and removes any dead or diseased parts. Fertilizing provides your flowers with the nutrients they need to thrive. Additionally, it's crucial to keep an eye out for pests or diseases that may harm your garden. By maintaining your garden regularly, you'll ensure it stays vibrant and beautiful all year round. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating your dream flower garden. Remember, patience is key. The beauty of a garden is in its growth. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!